Hello, and on this week's tech tip, we're going to talk about how to add a credit card to your dashboard account or your team. So when you're in dashboard, you search for the address that you're looking for. Just go through the process like you normally would. Select the product you'd like to purchase. And then on payment method here, you'll see that you can add a new card. You can go ahead and click that, and it'll let you select a new card here, and you can save that credit card for future use or just use it for this purchase. The second method is you go to your own user profile. You can add a card here by clicking add card, put in your credit card information, and you can save that card, and once it's saved, it'll appear here in payment method, and it'll also give you the option to use this payment method across the team by simply clicking the checkbox for the team card. That's how you add a card to dashboard.